What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We have more information on the Uber hack, a big hack. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Buckle. Buckle is the best form of rideshare insurance. Not only can you replace your normal car insurance with Buckle, it's gonna cover you while you're doing regular driving or rideshare driving, which is something I personally never had access to until Buckle. So obviously that's gonna save you guys a lot of money, and they will cover you in all types of accidents, unlike a lot of other insurance carriers. And on top of that, our viewers will get $20 just for getting a quote by using the link in the description below. So check that out, guys. Well worth your time. Let's jump in. Alrighty, so those of you who aren't familiar yet, Uber was hacked recently. The hacker claimed to be a 17 or 18-year-old kid, like pretty young, and it wasn't really a hack as much as he coerced an employee to give the login info over by posing as some like IT worker or something like that. Then he got into all the systems. The main thing he did was go into their Slack channel and post an inappropriate picture. And then on top of that, he made a post that drivers deserve more pay. So Uber believes they've found the group that's responsible for this hacking. Uber has linked the cybersecurity incident it disclosed recently to hackers affiliated with the Lapsus money sign gang, a group accused of numerous high-profile corporate data breaches. The company also said the attackers were able to download or access company Slack messages and invoice-related data from an internal tool. In a blog post, Uber said the attackers first gained access to the company's systems when they successfully convinced a contractor to grant a multi-factor authentication challenge. Apparently, two-factor authentication is supposed to be the best, but all I've heard lately is about all these hacks happening from it. The contractor's network password had likely been obtained separately on a dark web marketplace, Uber said. From there, the attacker accessed several other employee accounts, which ultimately gave the attacker elevated permission to a number of tools, including G Suite and Slack. G Suite is essentially Google Business, if you guys don't know. The blog post said the attacker then posted a message to a company-wide Slack channel, which many of you saw, and reconfigured Uber's OpenDNS to display a graphic image to employees on some internal sites. The attacker did not access user-facing systems, user accounts, databases containing personal information, or the code that powers Uber products, the company said, but it added the investigation is continuing in coordination with law enforcement and multiple cybersecurity firms. Love it. The thing is, the hacker, I don't think, wanted to go in. This is what I like is so interesting to me about this, is the hacker, it's not like the hacker tried to get into like any of our accounts, like they said in the article. And I was like, well, I don't think that was the motive. I mean, one of the messages he posts is that we deserve more pay. So, I don't know, like what really is the motive? Like, it's some real like cyber vigilante behavior. And I don't mind that it happened to Uber. I don't at all, you know? Pay me more and then I'll mind. But you take 50 to 70% off every ride I give, then yeah, I'm not gonna ever defend you. Take notes, Dara. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Definitely check out Buckle, linked in the description below. You're gonna get 20 bucks for just getting a quote. And I promise, guys, as far as rideshare insurance goes, this is the best way to do it. So check that out, guys. There's a link in the description, and I will talk to you guys soon.